GM bet with size here. Let's get straight to this Neo BullX guide. So the biggest differences between Neo BullX and the normal one. First of all, it shows you the amount of snipers that there are in the coin. Second of all, they added charts, so you don't have to click each coin to see the chart, which is very useful because you can spot scams like quite easily. And another big one is wallet tracking. In this Neo BullX there is a huge advantage which is wallet tracking section. Here I already got one guy saved, but we're gonna do a live example. And you go to like some better, more popular coin, let's say Mudeng. To wallet track and find good wallets, you literally just have to go to holders or top traders. And here, when you're gonna hover over wallets, you're instantly gonna see their win rate and PNL. So, for example, 94% win rate, 2.6 mil PNL. That is a great wallet. It doesn't trade much though, but if you wanna add him to the wallet tracking list, you can tag him 96% win rate and turn on alerts. And then when he's gonna buy something, an alert is gonna pop up here. As you see, you're gonna have this list of transactions that the guy is doing. You can check what is this coin, Cove, 2 hours ago. This is a different wallet I added before, not the one we just added fresh, but got some coin or 400k and he bought like 3k of it. I'm gonna check it out more a bit later. But let's do a small analysis here, because there is also a very nice holder section which shows you graphs for holders, top holders, bot users, and insider holding. And insider holding here is not that bad, it's 8%. But yeah, we're gonna check this coin out later. But now, for the best settings for trading. If you're trading on like pump funds, more risky coins, look, you have a couple presets here. So you can name this preset Pump Fun. If you're playing with less sol, you can set this fee to this, like make it smaller with slippage on 30%. And if you want to be really fast but risk getting MEV'd, then you can have MEV protection disabled. For sell settings, you can also set the same fee if you're playing with less sol, but if you have more, if you have like 10 plus sol, then probably the 0.01 fee is worth, because it gives you an edge over most of the people. And transactions going through fast is really key in this game. And yeah, slippage can also be on 30% or 40% if you want to be sure. Because sometimes when you keep on trying to sell and the transaction doesn't go through, you can lose out on a lot of money. But yeah. On, let's say, mid caps, you don't even need a priority fee often, because mid caps are more established. You don't need such quick action, quick entries. So yeah, you can have even no fees. Slippage, I like to have like 5% even. If we're talking about coins that are on like a couple million, usually you can get a transaction through no problem. And MEV protection enabled this time. If you're going to be buying with bigger amounts of sol, a lot of MEVs are running on more established coins. So yeah, that's what I would do for mid caps and for high caps too, honestly. So you can just call it mid/high caps. You can scan for more good wallets here. Let's see, 99% win rate. That is crazy win rate. But you can also check these wallets through GMGN AI or some other software if you want to be fully accurate and like analyze what these guys are doing. So yeah. For example, this guy has a 78% win rate, but his 30-day PNL is still down 12k. So he lost some big size trade recently. And another 99% win rate wallet. I'm not sure if these are bugged or if they're actually this good. We're gonna call him 99% win rate. Boom, it's tagged, alerts, and yeah. You're gonna have them in this wallet tracking section. And when you're gonna go to a coin, let's say Cove, or any other coin that they will trade, they will show up on the chart. You can also give them different emojis if you want. Boom. So you can differentiate between who's the guy, which one of the guys that you're tracking is in, because of course there's better and worse wallets. Okay, now the new vision for graduated coins. What I like to do is def holding like max 10%, because more is really stretching it. Insider wallet supply like 25%, and sniper wallets no more than 10%. Boom. That's gonna clean up your coins from most likely the rugs or the ones that are just gonna die. And for about to graduate, I mean around the same thing. Sniper wallets 10%, insider wallets can keep on 20, because even with quite a bit of insiders, these coins can send, so keep it in mind. And the def holding no more than 10%, or 15% if you want to manually check on the coins if dev is holding, like, I don't know, for example here, dev is holding 32%, so if he nukes, this coin is instantly dead. That's why I would even keep dev holding on 10% and minimum 10 holders, just to avoid the scams. Actually here you can also do minimum 10 holders, because some of the scammers are gonna buy in with like a 30 sold buy from one wallet, and they're just gonna wait for people to buy in and rug. So that's why the holder amount is also important. And I recommend not putting in that much filters, because some people are gonna put in price change, volume, bonding curve, everything, but a lot of good traders I know, like very good traders, literally sit on the Neo Vision with 0 filters and just spot coins by eye. Because if you're gonna have too many filters, then you're gonna miss out on some coins. So it's best to just keep on trading and get an understanding, like with your own analysis, if a coin is good or not. Some filters are useful to just, not have these super scammy coins, like the ones that dev holds more than 10%. But other than that, I think you should keep your filters low without like that many. And of course, another thing worth mentioning is your watch list. You should be adding coins to your watch list so you can watch for better entries, so you can quickly check the coins that you're interested in. Sometimes they go to like decent prices for entry. Let's use this as an example. Boom, add it to the watch list. And then whenever you're just chilling on BullX or scanning and you want to check out if something is in a zone that you want to enter in, check, and you're gonna see the market cap here and price change. And yeah, that is basically it for Neo BullX. I personally love using Neo BullX with my Nova Click extension. I don't have it on the browser that I'm in, that I logged in to show you, but I recommend getting Nova Bot, and Nova Click honestly is the best bot I've used yet. Access link in the bio and in the pinned comment. Also join my Telegram, I'm posting bangers there, trying to share some value with you, what I learned, good coins. And yeah, I appreciate each one of you, every sub watching. And next video is probably gonna be my Christmas folio, Christmas coins picks. And one tip I can give you is don't fade Kevin. There's 2 Kevins, but I think this can go hard on Christmas. Bet with size is out.